Watch out. You okay? You want me to do that, Dave?
Hopefully it doesn't burn the grass on fire.
It's not going to. The grass is wet.
Woo! Those ones weren't that bad.
See, the smoke is going to help the bugs,
They all
too.
die?
Just that one.
Should I just kick that box?
No,
No, it's okay.
the box is helping keep the bugs away.
Yeah.
At least that's good.
Still around me.
Well, come over here and sit by Papa by the
Alright.
candle. The citronella candle.
Solar flares.
That's the one that...
Wait, didn't you say you were gonna take over from me?
Oh, yeah.
You don't want to sit in my recording chair?
No, that's a lightning flash, Ben.
Oh.